Hi everyone, today we are going through this tutorial on how to set up Power BI to read files from SharePoint folder and auto refresh. We will go through all these steps. First of all, you will have to create a folder in your Microsoft Teams. Here I have set up a folder under Power BI, SRC folders and SRC test demo. These are my two files, a record for sales record for January and February. It is in a CSV file. You can have .xlsx but not .xlx. Okay. First, let's copy path for folder in SharePoint and remove percentage symbol to space if any. From your SharePoint folder, from the Teams, go ahead and click this I symbol. Okay, and then click at more details. You need to scroll down a bit and you can see this path with this folder symbol, and just go ahead and copy the direct link. Paste the link in your favorite notepad. Okay. So as you can see here, there is a percentage in between shared and document. So let's go ahead and edit, remove the percentage and 20. Okay, so this will be your folder. In Power BI, go ahead and click Get Data and click More. Type SharePoint and click at SharePoint folder and click Connect. From here, you need to paste the URL. Remember, we have copied the path just now, but for this SharePoint folder, we need to only copy the main path to your SharePoint, which is to your Teams, which is up until here. Hit copy and paste it here and click OK. Next, go ahead and click Transform Data. Currently, it's reading the whole folders under Sites Protect. So at the end, you can see all the folder path. It's actually reading all of it. So we only want it to read the folder that we have created just now. Okay, we need to get a sample of M code to go to the specific folder. Go ahead and click at the folder path and select all and just select one of them and click OK. As you can see, it has created this M code for you. So we need to replace this with the code that we had, the path that we had just now. Copy the path to the files in your Teams, which is in our case SRC test demo. Then replace this code, this path, okay, at / at the back and hit enter. Okay, as As you can see now, it's reading these two files. Yeah. Okay, let's revisit our steps. We have copied the path for folder in SharePoint. We have removed the %20 symbol to space. For example, like here, %20, it's a space actually, so we remove it and put a space in between. And get the data source from SharePoint folder, paste the main path only. So this is the main path. And then we transform the data set path to your data in SharePoint folder. We are using this data just now, this path just now. And then next we will be combining the files. In the PowerQuery editor, scroll to the left and click at this content and combine files. Okay, from here, as you can see, this is a pop-up box to combine the files. We have two files here. Just go ahead and click at the first, leave it as first file, and click OK. As you can see here, it created another query under other queries. So it had combined the February data and the January data. As you can see, our data is perfect. We don't need to massage. Then we can go to the visualization. Let's revisit our steps. We have combined the files just now. Data messaging is not required. Next, let's create a simple visualization. Go ahead and click close and apply. Okay, now we are at the main page for Power BI. Let's check for the data. This is our data just now. These are our data from February to January. Let's go ahead and click report. Let's create a simple chart with month as the x-axis and salesman on the y-axis. Here you can see, so this is actually the count of sales. So let's change this title, counts of sales, counts of sales by month. So next, let's change count of salesmen to count of sales. So under visual should be y-axis. And click on title, title 6, count. Sales. Okay, now we're good to go. Next, let's click at publish to publish this at powerbi.com. Click my workspace and click select. Click at open reading from SharePoint CSV demo. This is how our folder looks like. Our report looks like. As you can see here, we have created the visualization, we have published to Power BI, and then we're gonna set auto refresh time. From the report, go ahead and click this three dot and see related content. And then this is the data sets, and click at the three dots and settings. Under data source credential, we have to make sure that Power BI are able to access your teams, and I have already set up my credential. For your case, go ahead and edit credentials or create the credentials, and then make sure authentication mode is OAuth 2 and privacy level setting is set to organization, and hit click sign in, and you will be brought to your single sign-on. In my case, I have already logged in, so I'm good to go. So next, let's go to the schedule refresh and set this as on. Make sure you set this to the correct location. Let's add a time where we can set the refresh. So now it's at 7:47. Let's set it to 8 o'clock. You can add another time if you want. You can add more. It's up to you. And just click apply. As you can see, this is our data, January and February. Let's go ahead and add a data for March before 8 o'clock. I am going to make a copy for February to March. This is from powerbi.com. Now you can see that we only have January and February. We just added March, but the auto refresh will be turned on at 8 a.m. So let's wait after 8 a.m. It will auto add another bar chart. Okay, now it's already past 8:30 a.m. So we can see it auto reads a record for March. So let's look at the refresh. Last refresh is 8:46. Yeah, after 8:30. Let's look at the schedule refresh. Yeah, after 8:30 it was there. Okay folks, I think that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the guide, and see you around.